Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you how to make the perfect chai tea latte. So I'm gonna got an iced cup and a dark cup, just so hot cup, so I can just show you how to make both. So you're gonna get your chai, and the number is 5/8, so just a little bit over half. Pour this in here, and get a little bit more than half, so that's probably pretty good. All right. Put that off to the side for now, and the rest is going to be with milk. Alright, so just pour the rest in there with milk. Leave a little bit of room because you're going to steam this, and when it steams it's going to expand a little bit and you don't want to have too much extra. So I'm going to put this in my steam cup, just pour the whole thing in there. Alright, and when you steam it, it's not going to sound like when you regularly steam milk, so don't freak out, but you're still going to basically do the same thing. And you're just going to let this steam for the same amount of time, just until you can't hold it anymore. Alright, so that's right about now. So I'm going to pour this in here. And obviously you're not going to be able to make any latte art with a chai tea. So just pour that in there, sleeve and lid on it, and that's ready to go. Now for an iced, the only difference is obviously you don't steam it, but it's going to be the same amount of chai and milk, but obviously leaving room for ice. So I'm going to put about, you can see that's about halfway, or a little bit more than halfway between this and this striped part. That's about where I want to aim with the chai. And the milk, I'm basically just going to fill until that line, like that. Alright, and then get some ice. I'm running low on ice right now, so you would get a little bit more, but that's what it's going to be.